the golden eagle was the closest genetic relative to the Haast eagle. So we tried to find authentic golden eagle calls. We pitch shifted them, but unfortunately after several weeks of work on the golden eagle, it ended up just sounding like a large angry chicken. So we ended up choosing a different species, which is the Wahlberg eagle, which is, as you heard, just a little more terrifying. In the end, I went out to Avalon actually and had a play with Chris Ward, who's an amazing sound designer, and we ended up, for anyone who's into sound, slowing down the bit rate of the Wahlberg Eagle, which made it slower and longer, but kept all of the frequency range, which normal pitch shifting software doesn't do.